Hello, I'm Nononappa. Last time I flew my drone to the height of 250 meters, and when it was descending, one of the motors got dead. So today I'm going to replace the broken motor with a new one. As you know, the brushed motors are cheap, but they are not durable. And this Hubsan h502s has those motors. This is the second time when I replaced the motor, and although I don't know whether it's coincidence, the motor I am replacing now is the one I did before. I think you'd better prepare some spare motors in advance because the motors get easily broken. The motor is not easily pulled out, as you see, so I use a hammer. Finally, the motor came out. Before you connect to the motor, make sure that the colors of the electric wires of the motor are correct because they indicate the rotation direction of the motor. I'm checking the state of motors. The old one is dead. The new one runs well. Please make sure that all the electric wires are well arranged, otherwise they will be damaged while assembling. Before finishing the assembling, I'm going to check that the motor is working well. I'm using the tape instead of the original screws because I want to repair this drone easily next time. Judging from my experience, the tape is strong enough to hold the parts tightly. I'm Nononappa. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. See you!